this presentation on the fascinating behavior of the Malayan tapir, also known as Tapirus indicus. As part of our field trip to Kemaman Zoo, we observed and recorded the behavior of this endangered species to better understand their activity patterns and needs. The Malayan tapir, native to Southeast Asia, is the largest of the 4 tapir species and plays a critical role in forest ecosystem by dispersing seeds. Their distinctive black and white coloration makes them easy to recognize, but their behaviors are equally intriguing. This study aims to contribute to conservation efforts and enhance our understanding of their natural tendencies. The primary objective of this study was threefold. First, to observe and record the behavior of the Malayan tapir over a 2-hour period. Second, to create an ethogram, which is a detailed catalogue of their behaviors, which is to classify their activities systematically. Finally, we analyze the frequency of this behavior to gain insights into their activity patterns in a controlled environment. Our observations were conducted using 2 key techniques, which are ad libitum and scan sampling. During the first 30 minutes, we used ad libitum observation to identify and define specific behaviors. These behaviors were then organized into an ethogram. For the remaining observation period, we employed scan sampling, recording tapir activities at 15 minutes intervals using smartphone cameras. The results of our observation reveal fascinating insights into the tapir's behavior. Feeding and foraging were the most frequently observed activities, with ground foraging being the predominant behavior. Tapirs often search for the fallen fruits and vegetation on the ground, averaging 5 occurrences per observation interval. Browsing, which involved using their prehensile snouts to grab leaves and fruits from the higher plants, was less frequent, likely due to the controlled environment of the zoo where food is readily provided. Locomotion behaviors were dominated by walking, with a mean frequency of 12.75 occurrences. Walking reflects the tapir's natural tendency to explore their environment and forage for food. Running, on the other hand, was rare and typically triggered by disturbance, indicating that the zoo environment was generally calm and secure. Aquatic activities such as swimming and wading were observed occasionally, highlighting the semi-aquatic nature of the tapirs. These activities are essential for cooling, recreation, and exploration, underscoring the importance of the water features in their habitat. Social behavior, though less frequent, were equally important. Partner following was the most common social activity, indicating a preference for staying close to conspecifics. Allogrooming, where one tapir nibbles or licks another, emphasize the role of tactile interaction in maintaining social bonds and hygiene. Communication behaviors primarily involve sniffing and marking. Sniffing was used to investigate conspecific and locate food, while marking behaviors such as urination signal territory or readiness to mate. Interestingly, vocalization were rare, suggesting that olfactory cues play a more significant role in tapir communication. These findings provide valuable insights into the behavioral repertoire of the Malayan tapirs. The dominance of feeding and foraging behaviors highlights the importance of providing a diet that mimics their natural preference. Similarly, the prevalence of walking and other locomotion activities emphasize that need for spacious enclosure that encourage exploration. Social and communication behavior underline the necessity of enriched environments that foster natural interaction. By understanding their behavior, we can improve the welfare of the tapirs in captivity and support conservation efforts. In conclusion, our study of Malayan tapirs at Kemaman Zoo has shed light on their diverse behaviors and environmental needs. Feeding, locomotion, and social interaction were the most prominent activities, reflecting their natural tendency and adaptability to captivity. By ensuring that zoo environments meet these behavioral needs, we can enhance the welfare of the tapirs and contribute to the conservation of these endangered species. So that's all from me. Thank you.